In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Walmart Plus. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start your Walmart Plus trial and set up your membership with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Walmart Plus and press Enter. You can use any major browser, Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Typing it clearly helps bring up the official page right at the top. Next, click the correct link to the official Walmart website. You're looking for the Walmart domain and a secure padlock icon in the address bar. If you see ads or third-party sites, skip those and choose the result that clearly takes you to Walmart's own Walmart Plus page. Once you're on the Walmart Plus landing page, look for the button that says Try Walmart Plus Now. This is the call to action that begins your sign-up. If the page layout looks a little different, that's okay. Designs change from time to time. Just find the main button that starts the free trial or membership enrollment. You'll be asked to choose your payment term. Select either a monthly plan for flexibility or an annual plan if you prefer to pay once and typically save over the course of a year. Prices can vary, so review the rate shown on your screen and pick what fits your budget and shopping habits. Now add a payment method. Click to add a card, then carefully enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip or postal code as requested. Double-check everything before you continue. Mistyped numbers are the most common reason payments fail. Make sure you're on a secure page with HTTPS in the address bar, especially when entering payment details. When you're done, click Save Card to store the method for your membership. Before you continue, take a moment to read the subscription terms. Look for key details like how long the trial lasts, when billing begins, how renewal works, and how to cancel if you decide it's not for you. Once you've reviewed everything, tick the box to agree to the terms. Finally, click the Walmart Plus trial button to start your trial. You should see a confirmation screen, and you may receive a confirmation email as well. From here, your membership benefits will be active, and you can start using Walmart Plus right away. That's it. You've successfully joined Walmart Plus. Quick tip: set a reminder a couple of days before the trial ends, so you can decide whether to continue or cancel. Enjoy your new membership, and happy saving.